The GRANITESTONE 20-piece kitchen pots and pans set is a big collection of cooking tools. It has many pots and pans for different cooking needs. This set can help you make all sorts of meals. The non-stick surface is a great feature. Food slides right off, and cleaning becomes very easy. You spend less time scrubbing and more time enjoying your food. This GRANITESTONE 20-piece kitchen pots and pans set aims to make cooking simpler for everyone. This cookware set boasts a granite non-stick coating. It's designed to be tough and resist scratches. The diamond-coated surface adds to its durability. This means the pots and pans should last a long time. They are also oven and dishwasher safe. This adds to their convenience in a busy kitchen. The GRANITESTONE 20-piece kitchen pots and pans set tries to be a helpful companion for your daily cooking. It offers a good combination of features for the money. Thinking about other cookware sets? A quick comparison might show you the value here. This set gives you many pieces for one price. It's a whole kitchen in a box. And it helps with healthy cooking because less oil is needed due to the non-stick surface. While it doesn't have copper, the granite coating offers great heat distribution. Forget about corrosion worries because these pots and pans are built to last for everyday cooking or a holiday feast. The GRANITESTONE 20-piece kitchen pots and is a solid choice. Pros: non-stick, easy to clean, granite coating, durable 20 pieces, full set, oven safe. Dishwasher safe, non-toxic, diamond-coated, versatile. Cons: may scratch easily, non-stick may degrade, uneven heating possible, handles may get hot. Durability could be better, lids might not fit well, quality may vary, not very sturdy, coating may flake, customer service issues. Features: 20-piece set, non-stick, granite-coated, durable, easy to clean, oven safe, dishwasher safe. Non-toxic, metal utensil safe, even heating. This GRANITESTONE 20-piece cookware set has a granite coating that helps food not stick, making it easy to cook and clean. The set is made to last and can handle metal spoons and spatulas. It heats food evenly and is safe to use in the oven and dishwasher. Plus, it's made without harmful chemicals. This complete set gives you many pots and pans for all your cooking needs. This 20-piece GRANITESTONE cookware set aims to make cooking and cleaning easy with its granite and diamond-coated non-stick surface. It includes a full range of pots and pans and is advertised as oven and dishwasher safe, as well as non-toxic. However, some users have noted that the non-stick coating may not last, could scratch easily, and might heat unevenly. There are also concerns about the handles getting hot, the overall durability and sturdiness, lids not fitting well, inconsistent quality, potential for the coating to flake, and some reports of customer service issues.